Being upset at somebody is like drinking poison waiting for them to die. Say it again. Being upset at another human being is like drinking poison waiting for somebody else to die. And I was watching a show called Kidding by Jim Carrey. It's a new show on Showtime. It's been around for about a year, where he plays like a Mr. Rogers type thing, and he's walking with his daughter, and his daughter, she's about 15 years old, she asks him, "Why don't you hate Mom's new boyfriend?" And he looked at her and he said simply, "Anger doesn't hurt who you think it does." That's it. If you get mad at anybody, they're not around. You're upsetting yourself. You chemically change your own body. And you change your own body. And you get 10,000 new cells every second. You lose 10,000 cells, you gain 10,000 cells. When you get upset and you allow yourself, you chemically change the chemistry of your body. And you're doing that to yourself, thinking that the person that you're upset at cares or even knows you exist.